Today we are making a staple Moroccan sweet called Mhencha, which literally means coiled like a snake due to its unique shape. First, let's cut the warka. Fold the large circular warka sheets into two to get a semicircle. Cut the uneven edges. Now cut the folded side of the warka to split the warka into two batches. On your workstation, line up 4 individual warka sheets with their edges overlapping. Generously brush the entire surface of warka with melted butter. Roll the almond paste into a log about the thickness of your thumb and place it on the warka edge closest to you. Keep adding the almond paste logs along the edges of the 4 warka sheets. Fold the side edges of the 4 warka sheets over the almond paste log. And roll the warka along with the almond paste as if you were rolling a carpet. Now take one of the edges and roll it up to form a snug coil. At the end, you should have the shape of a coiled snake. Brush the tip of the roll with the egg so it sticks to the coil. Place the mhencha in a baking pan covered with parchment paper and bake in a preheated oven to 400 Fahrenheit degrees, 200 Celsius degrees for 15 minutes or until the roll gets a beautiful golden color. As soon as you remove the mhencha from the oven, drizzle with honey. Decorate with toasted slivered almonds. Let the mhencha cool down completely before serving. Bon appétit!